Hello, this is Samie and I welcome you all to eAcademe from the platform of CA Educationist. In this video, I will be talking about the real options linked with an investment project to be appraised. The traditional NPV method assumes that a project commences immediately and proceeds until it finishes as originally predicted. Therefore, it assumes that a decision has to be made on a now or never basis, and once made, it cannot be changed. It does not recognize that most investment appraisal decisions are flexible and give managers a choice of what actions to undertake. Real options are the options available with the investor in future in relation to the investment he is going to make now. Those real options are option to expand, option to abandon, option to wait, and option to switch. If the new investment provides the investor with these real options in future, this adds value to the investment project. This is because each real option provides flexibility to the investor in future in relation to the investment under consideration. The more the real options are available with the investment, the higher the value addition to the project. Let's discuss each one of the options step by step. Option to expand. If the investment will generate an opportunity of expansion in future and will bring additional opportunities for investment in future, it means the project provides real option to expand. Accordingly, the additional value linked with this option to expand must be determined and considered before final decision making. For example, if establishing a manufacturing plant in a new industry leads to possibilities for mergers and acquisitions or joint ventures in future, the project provides a real option to expand. Likewise, if installing a new manufacturing facility to produce a certain product unlocks a possibility to produce another product in the future, this project also provides an option to expand. Option to abandon. If the project provides a possibility to withdraw in future in case the plans did not turn out as expected, the project has a real option to abandon. For example, if the investor can break the lease agreement of land to be used in project at any time in the future, this will be considered as an option to abandon. Option to wait. If the project provides an option of deferring the business decision to the future, it provides an option to wait. For example, if a chain of retail outlets has an option to open a new outlet this year or in the next year, this investment project of opening new outlet provides an option to expand and must be considered in final decision making. Option to switch. If a project provides an option to shut down the project at some future point in time if the conditions are unfavorable and assets used in the project can be switched to other projects and activities, the project provides an option to switch. Thank you for watching the video. For more videos, keep watching the series of eAcademe from the platform of CA Educationist by Samie. For any queries, you may WhatsApp or email at the given contact details.